Hello and shalom, sisters. If you've ever felt overlooked, silenced, and buried under shame, or convinced you're just not enough, this series was created for you. You see, healing isn't just about patching wounds, it's about reclaiming identity. And sometimes what God has hidden isn't broken, it's being prepared. Welcome to the Healed and Hidden series, an 8-week journey into emotional restoration, spiritual renewal, and biblical truth tailored for the hearts of women. Each week, we will dismantle the lies culture has taught us, confront the wounds many of us carry in silence, and rebuild from the inside out with scripture, soul work, and the sacred wisdom of God's design for womanhood. This is not self help, this is soul healing. In this series, we'll explore topics like self worth and identity, what God says about you versus what the world says, the power of self talk, how your words shape your destiny, emotional wounds, the ones no one can see, but you still carry, holiness and honor, what it means to walk in modesty, truth, and glory. And most importantly, we'll do this together. You'll get weekly teaching episodes rooted in scripture, companion word study guides, guided affirmations to help rewire your self talk, weekly shorts to uplift and inspire, a chance to share your testimony and walk this path with others. So, if you're ready to come out of hiding, if you're ready to stop surviving and start becoming, this is your invitation. Let the healing begin. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me each week here on Virtuous Design as we walk from hidden to whole together. From scroll to soul, from word to walk, this is Virtuous Design.